Hi students, in this lecture let us discuss about methods of linearity improvement in the time-based generator waveforms. So before going into the topic of linear improvement in time-based generator, let us discuss about some of the few points regarding this topic. So what are those few points means? In a few lectures we have discussed about some of the things which are relevant for time based generator. So what is the meaning of time based generator, and what is the meaning of sweep circuit, and how many methods are there in the time based generator, and next thing is by taking those methods which method is good, etc. And the same thing will be repeated here also. Linear means the things, that is the electronic things which occurs in the nature. Then if you consider those things as an electronic devices or circuit elements, then which type of the effects will be generated in the time based generator waveforms will be represented as linearity. Whenever we will get the some type of the linearity, again we should consider some type of the things which are relevant for the sweep circuits. So we are having so many sweep circuits. So in this one I am considering one type of the method in linearity improvement of time based generators. So which method I am considering means sweep circuits by using transistors. So if you consider the transistor, then which type of the output waveform will be generated, etc. In the place of transistor, you can consider the operational amplifier also. In the place of operational amplifier, you can consider the UJT, that is unipolar junction transistor. In the place of UJT, you can consider any type of the amplifier which is related for the voltage, current, etc. But in this method, which type of the electronic device I am considering means for the linearity improvement of time based generator waveforms, I am considering the transistor, because transistor is one type of the electronic device which shows any type of the characteristics levels by considering any type of the circuit element. Okay, the simple circuit diagram of sweep circuits by using transistor is given in this form. So the same input side is there and same output side is there. Means everywhere the input circuit as well as output circuit is connected with the help of one electronic device. It may be the transistor, or it may be the diode, or it may be the resistor or capacitor, etc. Okay, and we have to recall some of the few points regarding the transistor. Okay, transistor will works in three regions. One is active region, second one saturation region, and third one cutoff region. But we are not going into deep that in which biasing purpose the transistor will works good or not. We are not going for the biasing. Simply we are going to understand that in which region the transistor will works or it will not works. Okay, uh, when the transistor is in the saturation region, then the transistor will works as switch. Yes or no? In two regions the transistor will works as switch, in saturation region and cutoff region. If you are considering the saturation region, then this transistor will works as switch on. Will works as switch on means the remaining, if it is switch is it is taken as switch, then this total circuit will be represented as Miller circuit or bootstrap circuit. The simple thing is, if you want to consider any type of the sweep circuit, the same output should be generated. at the output waveform, then only that circuit is known as sweep circuit. So in the place of transistor, if you consider the switch, then if it is switch is on, then the total mechanism will be works as Miller's or bootstrap waveform. Okay, and next I am taking some of the examples. So I am generating the waveform in the square waveform. So I am generating in a square waveform. Okay, when the initial it is time is there, then I am getting the positive peak. Then after completing I am getting the 0, means any type of the information is not there, and similarly vice versa. So whenever this type of the waveform is taken here, the same waveform should be reflected in the form of sweep waveform. How it is generated, let us discuss here. Okay, few points. The input waveform for the transistor sweep circuit is rectangular waveform, or you can consider the square or rectangular, but in this standard thing we are considering the rectangular waveform. In the place of rectangular waveform you can consider the square waveform. It is not mandatory. Obtained from the monostable multivibrator, and the circuit of your input at the higher level, that is upper level, for t less than equal to 0, means this is known as higher level, that is upper level, and this is known as lower level. Means upper level means you are having some type of the information, lower level means you are not having any type of the information. For the transistor, get sufficient voltage to bias from VYY. What is VYY? How much voltage is generated at the waveform will decide by VYY through the R dash. R dash means we at the input we are considering one type of the resistor, that is R dash. So this transistor Q enters. So this transistor Q enters into the saturation region, that is it will turns on, and provided V0 is equal to VV, means I am considering some type of the V0 value here. That V0 is represented in the form of Vs. Vs means sweep voltage. Vs means sweep voltage. Next at t is equal to 0, the input is at the lower level and it remains at some level, that is t is equal to ts, and remains t is equal to ts, which makes the transistor enters into the cutoff region. Cutoff region means the transistor function will remains 0. So the capacitor will start charging towards VYY by through R. So how many types of sweep times we are considering? Two types. One is at the maximum sweep time, Ts, and another is lower sweep time. Then which type of the terms will be generated, that is which type of the output waveforms will be generated, that is very important. So for 0 is less than t, less than Ts, we get a linear ramp as output waveform. At t is equal to Ts, the input gains rise to the upper level, so the transistor changes its state from off to on which the capacitor will be discharged. Then the initial value will become Vv, which the time constant will be Rc. So which term you have to change here means, if you are getting the waveform, then in which terms the waveform is getting, that is very important. Here the transistor is acting with a rectangular waveform at the input, then for the upper level, that is maximum information is there, then any type of the information is not there. Whenever it is lower is there, then some type of the information is passing here. So due to which region transistor is acting in the saturation region, and transistor is acting in the cutoff region. Whenever the transistor is acting in the saturation region, then you will get this sweep waveform. But whenever the transistor is not acting in the saturation, that is it acting in the cutoff region, then you are not getting the sweep waveform. Okay, this shows that the linear increasing will be improved by considering the transistor waveform. So this total method or this total mechanism is known as linearity improvement in time based generator. But the new term which we are adding means which type of the method we are considering means sweep circuit by using transistor to increase the linearity improvement in the time based generator. And we are having so many methods already. In the previous lecture we have discussed, in the place of transistor you can consider the diode also, or circuit elements, capacitor also. You can consider the operational amplifier also, but the same term will be generated. Okay, thank you students.